switch the workspace on 3D modeling. In tab Home, panel Modify, activate the command 3D Rotate. Click left mouse button on that button. Next step in drawing field on field of model. Select object, move the cursor and click left mouse button on object. And selecting, click enter on the keyboard or click right mouse button. Next step, specify base point. It's maybe end point that triangle. And pick a rotate axis. It's maybe Z, it's maybe Y, or you can enter axis from the keyboard, but I simply click in working field on gizmo, click left mouse button on axis of Z. Next step, specify angle start point. I click start point on that, click left mouse button and I move and rotate that object. In gizmo we have gray section is a angle rotate. Specify angle end point and I can enter from the keyboard. It may be 47 or 65 and click enter on the keyboard. But if don't enter anything, I can move the cursor and click enter on the keyboard.